Hello friends. This is a series of videos I'm planning to make for preliminary examination 2025. This is Xingshang Prelude. We are conducting a batch of preliminary examination test batch and guidance program in a comprehensive way. So I thought I would include this also in that. So the Xingshang Prelude is about important concepts which are necessary for preliminary examination 2025. So as I have already said in many of the videos, it will be polity which is very significant for this examination, and hence I'm going to start with the first topic, which is polity, and also I'm going to establish the fact that reading newspaper will give you a lot of understanding for civil service examination prelims. So let us go into the first topic. So the first topic is about impeachment of the vice president. So this has been in news for recently 2 months. So since December this has been there. So we need to know what are the articles pertaining to the appointment and the removal of vice president. So these articles in polity become a very important, significant factor. And this is the point, or what the opposition has seen is that they have in December 10, they have said that because of the partisan conduct of the vice president, they want to introduce this resolution for removal of the vice president. So we have to know what kind of a procedure that they adopt for removing. So now here we will see what are the articles which are relevant to the vice president is. So here if you see the newspaper article says, so it is 63 article which says that, or the vice president's power is derived from article 63. So what is article 63 is that there shall be a vice president of India. Very simple. So we have to complement or supplement whatever we are reading from Lakshmikant or the newspaper through an article which is there in the Bakshi book, or any PDF that you may have of the original constitution. So now if you see 63, we have made sure that it is the vice president is there. 64 article is what defines the vice president as the ex officio chairperson of the Council of States. So now you have to check what the article says. 64, if you see, the vice president shall be the ex officio chairperson of the Council of State. So it is, so in case of speaker it is different, but in case of Rajya Sabha it is the vice president who is the ex officio chairperson. And in the case of when the vice president is acting as the president, when there is an under article 65, if he or she is acting as the president, they may not hold the chair as the vice chairperson of the Rajya Sabha. So with this basics, we have to move forward. So this is the appointment. Now we have to go how the removal is done. In the removal or the case of removal, if you see, it is article 67. 63, 64 and then 67 is the removal article, which talks about here if you see, it talks about this majority of all the then members. Majority of all the then members in the Council of State is the concept rather than House of the People, because here you see majority of then members resolution has to be passed in the Council of State and agreed to by the House of the People is what is the meaning. But now one more factor is that there has to be a 14-day notice for the resolution that has to be passed by the Rajya Sabha. So two clauses are important. 14-day notice should be given, and then it should be passed by all the then members of the Rajya Sabha. That is what is the article says. So in this I have explained what is the meaning of what all the then members. All the then members gives this fact that Article 80 gives the number of members in a Rajya Sabha. It is 12 and or 12 nominated members and 238 members should be there in the Rajya Sabha. Here they have mentioned that, or this is Article 80. In Article 67, they have mentioned all the then members have to vote for a resolution for removing the vice president in the Council of States. What is the meaning of all the then members? Whether it means, any vacancy is left out if we have to include that? No, all the then members means, let us assume 250 members are the total members in the Rajya Sabha given, or the power is given. But 10 seats are vacant, so 240 is there. In that, the majority is the all the then members. This is the most key important fact that you may know, you should note down. You should not think that all the then members in the council means total membership. No, total membership is different, all the then members is different, and this is an important topic in polity. Like this, you can also suggest any other topic which should be discussed. I will discuss that, and there is a Minds of Aspirant group as well. You can put your doubts in that. I will be able to clarify that. Thank you and all the best.